Hello my friends, good morning. Hope that you are well. I am also well. Today I want to discuss some information about coastal area. We are living in coastal area. Lots of problem facing coastal areas peoples. What are the main problem in our coastal area? Today I want to share about that.
Among the coastal district of Bangladesh, the greater Khulna region consists of Khulna, Bagerhat and Satkhira. The nature resource of the Sundarban, the world's largest mangrove forest, have not only enriched the district but have also protected them from various natural disasters for centuries. Just as nature has generally bestowed its wealth on the region, salinity has also put the people and environment of this region under extreme threat. This problem of salinity is increasing day by day. The crops are not yielding as expected in the land. The population increasing, but vigor after vigor remains uncomfortable with in our country.
We faced many problems in our coastal area, so we should raise against voice of problem of the coastal area, salinity water and climate, cyclone, etc. So the authority and another authority person can take proper step to stop this problem and make an environment in our area. Please share my video with your friends so that they can know some information from my videos.